Just switch up the rating box randomly so that they end up clicking on the number 5 anyway. I have meetings all the time. Usually we start off our meetings late and then talk for 30 minutes about how we're all busy having meetings, and then we rush off to the next meeting late. Then we talk about how the company's on fire, and then we rush to the next meeting late. It's pretty common knowledge that this ship is going to sink. We're just trying to delay it to repay our kids' college loans. We spend most of our time celebrating that we're still alive. Creates a good ground tension, like in a movie, and we're the protagonists. Our customers' happiness is always our lowest priority. Security to protect us is our highest priority. In the lunch break, we usually talk about how the company's on fire. This apocalyptic atmosphere is something you don't find in other companies. It's what keeps us alive. We're all dead inside. Every month somebody gets fired. We usually have to rehire him because nobody else is applying. And then we fire somebody else and rehire him. Layoffs. We keep our satisfaction score at 5 always, because we keep changing up the rating box layout so that the only link that works is the 5. Customers are super annoyed. Good. Less customers means less customer agents. Means less cost. At this point, any attempt of innovation is hopeless. Keep silent, keep compliant. We have a whole team dedicated to calculate fees for overdrafting your account. Technically, we're a debit system, so it shouldn't be possible. But we made it possible. We have a great legal team. Our goal is always to be above market rate, so much that it hurts. Any PR is good PR. That's all we have at this point. My current project is reducing time spent on customer service. We cannot have people come back to a customer service, annoy them so that they know how bad it is. We need 100% churn. Okay, here's what we'll do. Always ask them for the customer identification number. And it's just the number we sent them when they signed up in an email years ago. Don't link it anywhere. The people who somehow magically get through this labyrinth will get to our most incompetent employee. We'll make sure she has everything she needs. A bad internet connection, horrible microphone, and a strong British accent. A hurt customer is good for marketing. Only send messages during weekdays and make sure they can only have one active message at a time. Yeah, that'll create more churn. Make sure they cannot reopen a ticket. Never reopen a ticket. In fact, make the link to reopen the ticket broken. And then we follow up with, I hope we could help you, please rate our service. And then show a rating box only with yes or no. No meaning, no, it wasn't a problem in the first place, flag the customer. Yeah, that should work. Don't use historic data, ban all forums, and don't tell customers how their issue was resolved. Leave them confused. Increases time spent on the app. When they want to unsubscribe, they have to log in again, yes. Oh, we can be far from any competitive offering. We just keep changing our logo and have an annual conference to celebrate that. People are too lazy to switch anyway. We are thankful for that. The SEC calls that a monopoly. We call this a survival tactic. Business is a jungle. And we're that stable rock that people look at. They see us and they think nothing will ever change. As long as they see we're still alive, they know that they don't have to change. Well, we give people a feeling of stability. Oh, I can't tell you what company it is.